Smooth sailing Cadillac style, keeping your transmission happy. Cadillac. The name screams luxury, performance, and a smooth ride. But even these automotive icons can experience hiccups, especially with the transmission. Early detection of an issue can save you from expensive repairs down the line and keep your Cadillac cruising smoothly. Think of your Cadillac's transmission as the maestro of motion. It orchestrates the transfer of power from the engine to the wheels, ensuring a seamless driving experience. Regular maintenance is key to a healthy transmission. By being proactive and addressing minor issues early on, you can avoid major headaches and keep your Cadillac gliding down the road with its signature grace. Telltale signs. Your Cadillac's transmission needs a checkup. Just like a doctor checks your vital signs, your Cadillac's transmission sends out signals when it's not feeling its best. Learning to recognize these warning signs can save you a lot of trouble in the long run. One of the most common signs is delayed shifting. If your Cadillac hesitates or takes longer than usual to shift gears, it's a clear indication that something is amiss. Another red flag is slipping gears. This occurs when your Cadillac jumps out of gear or feels like it's momentarily losing power while driving. Rough shifting is another telltale sign that your transmission needs attention. If the check engine light illuminates, don't ignore it. It could be related to your transmission and requires immediate attention from a professional. When gears get stuck, decoding delayed shifting. Delayed shifting is like a hiccup in your Cadillac's smooth acceleration. Instead of a seamless transition between gears, you experience a noticeable lag, making your ride feel sluggish and unresponsive. One of the most common culprits behind delayed shifting is low transmission fluid. Another possible cause is a faulty shift solenoid. These electronically controlled valves regulate the flow of transmission fluid, dictating when and how the gears shift. Worn clutch packs within the transmission can also contribute to delayed shifting. If you experience persistent delayed shifting, it's crucial to have your Cadillac inspected by a qualified mechanic. Section 4. The unwanted slip and slide. Understanding slipping gears. Imagine cruising down the highway when suddenly your Cadillac feels like it's losing power. The engine revs up, but the car doesn't respond accordingly. This unnerving experience is a classic symptom of slipping gears, a serious transmission problem that demands immediate attention. Slipping gears occur when the transmission fails to maintain a firm grip on the gears, causing a temporary loss of power transfer from the engine to the wheels. Low transmission fluid is a frequent offender in slipping gear cases. Worn-out clutch packs themselves can also be the root cause. A failing transmission control module, or TCM, can also contribute to slipping gears. If you experience this issue, stop driving immediately and have your Cadillac towed to a trusted mechanic for diagnosis and repair. Continuing to drive with slipping gears can cause severe damage to the transmission, turning a potentially expensive repair into a transmission replacement nightmare. Section 5. A bumpy ride, rough shifting, and its culprits. A Cadillac should drive like a dream, gliding effortlessly through gears. But when rough shifting rears its ugly head, it transforms your smooth ride into a jarring, unpleasant experience. One of the primary culprits behind rough shifting is, again, low transmission fluid. Worn out or damaged shift solenoids can also disrupt the shifting process. A malfunctioning transmission control module, or TCM, can also throw a wrench into the system. Ignoring rough shifting is a recipe for disaster. It's crucial to address this issue promptly to prevent further damage to your Cadillac's transmission. A qualified mechanic can diagnose the root cause and recommend the appropriate repairs. Section 6. Feeling the heat, overheating transmission, a major red flag. Your Cadillac's transmission is designed to withstand a certain amount of heat generated during operation. However, when the temperature rises beyond a critical point, it's a major red flag that something is seriously wrong. An overheating transmission can quickly lead to catastrophic damage if left unaddressed. One of the most common causes of transmission overheating is low fluid levels. A clogged or restricted transmission cooler can also contribute to overheating. Faulty transmission components, such as worn-out clutches or a failing torque converter, can generate excessive heat due to increased friction. Overheating is a serious issue that requires immediate attention. If you notice signs like a burning smell, unusual noises from the transmission, or the transmission slipping or shifting erratically, stop driving immediately and have your Cadillac towed to a qualified mechanic. Ignoring an overheating transmission can result in irreversible damage, potentially requiring a costly transmission replacement. Section 7. Prevention is key keeping your Cadillac running smoothly. Owning a Cadillac is an experience like no other. To keep your Cadillac gliding down the road with its signature grace, prioritize preventative maintenance and adopt driving habits that promote a healthy transmission. Regular transmission service is paramount. Consult your owner's manual for the recommended service intervals, which typically involve fluid and filter changes. Pay attention to how you drive. Avoid aggressive acceleration, hard braking, and excessive towing, as these habits put extra strain on your transmission. Be vigilant about fluid levels. Address minor issues promptly. Early detection and repair of minor issues can prevent them from escalating into major, costly problems down the line. Do like and subscribe All Auto Parts Group channel for more insights on your drive needs, or visit our website, Illuzed Auto Parts World.